Hello everyone, today I'm going to say you how to play Byjus box, okay?
So, Swara, show that what you have received in Byjus. Please show me one by one.
This is that Byjus castle, okay? Byjus castle, this is.
Wow.
And we have to play Asa and with dash, and we have to put with the
This is
that.
very lovely.
Yeah, from this to this
this
to
is
this.
the way, yeah.
Okay,
and then this is the finishing line that how to use. So how to play this? Show me other things that what you received with this.
With this.
So first you will show us this box, and then you will show us this tablet box, and then you will.
We have this Asa and this.
Box. Yeah.
This too.
Oh wow, this is very. And you got crayons also. Wow.
Yeah.
Show me dice. Wow.
And this.
This is your favorite Elsa. What was the name of the movie?
Asa Anna.
And the name of movie? Freeze something that was a very lovely movie. We are forgetting. Anyway, just show other things, cards and other thing.
And we have to play like this from the starting. This should be become.
It should be starting point.
From the starting point, we have to do like this, and otherwise I got this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow, this is
like this. Okay.
Very good. We got it. And now show us the card.
Okay. Everyone wait. This is the cards.
Wow. So again you have to throw the dice and then you have to
This is the cards.
wow. So this is also required to play with by the dice, okay? Lovely.
Choose anything which you like.
Yeah.
Wait.
I got it. What is this? Name a few words that begin with the letter C. So what begin with letter C?
Cat.
Wow. C at cat. Carrot and very good. Good. And show us other thing. Just keep it safely.
Wait.
Very lovely.
Hoy.
Show other things.
And this is the that. Puzzles, like puzzles.
Okay. So this is the required to play with the tablet games. Yeah. Please close
Yeah.
it. Close it.
Yeah, it is.
Close it properly. Yeah. Now close.
And this is the that. We made like this. And like.
Actually, friend, this is required to make as per the images given on the tablet, as per the game of the Byjus. So very good. Now we got it. And show us the crayons. This is the image. Sometimes you can make duck, you can make hut, you can make ball, many things you can make. This is also coming out. Yeah. This is also very nice.
First, let me go like this. And then. Wait, everyone, wait. Like this. And this is like this. And this is like this. Wait.
Okay, you arrange it. So now finally it is arranged. Okay, now pack it. So show some other things. Okay. Wow. Okay, the crayons. Crayons is also given.
This is the crayons, and this is the all the colors.
All the colors, very nice. And shows the stickers.
This, and this. This all are stickers. See?
Show me. Wow.
Little bit broken. See?
Wow, very lovely.
These are also stickers. Look, little broken.
Wow.
These are, little bit broken. See?
It's what you want to say, friend, that you can easily get it out.
Yeah, like this. It this also open this,
Here
this,
you can,
and this,
from here you can
and
take it
this
out.
is also open. This all are open. See?
Easily to open, easily to take it out. Okay.
All are open.
Now time has come to show us tablet. This is the Osmo stand. You keep it out, and then your Osmo stand is we are required. So now show us tablet.
Yeah, this is the tablet.
Let me help you. This is how we open. Okay. Now show us.
And this is the box. You saw the big tablets. Come on, you tablet box. And then we have to do like this.
Fix it on in the stand properly.
What is going on with me?
It will start. Show us.
This.
Yeah, it is what you want to start it. So friend, this is the tablet stand. And what is Osmo? The red one?
Osmo, yeah, sorry. I forgot it.
Yeah, this is the Lenovo. Going to start.
Yeah.
So friend, this is the technique, bizarre technique of the Byjus, where you have to keep these in front of your books. We will show other videos that how to use this, and there's one image will come in the form of cartoon, and that will guide the kids. And
and then when which photo will come, this that page we have to open.
Yeah, we have to open the page, and then you have
Will they say?
Whatever they say. Yes.
Yeah.
So now this is the
Not like this ki we are doing only like this. We have to tell ki which they are saying that page we have to do.
That page we have to open, whatever the coming on the screen. And friends, they give the study plan for 1 month to 2 months. So it's very interesting, but there's a problem with Byjus that they don't give any Hindi content, and they are mainly focused on the puzzles, math and English. So, and they have very good collection of poems as well as which inculcate habits of moral values, the cleaning of hand. You saw many videos. Can you tell us about the video which you saw?
You wash your hand.
Wash your hand and the cat.
And
cat.
No, counts cat.
Oh wow, yes, yeah. You
Yeah,
like them.
kitties.
Yeah, kitties one.
Yeah.
And now show us the books one by one.
This is one book.
One, yeah.
And
So how many books are there, Swara?
then this is one book.
Playing with shapes, okay.
And this is one book.
Exploring the alphabets, yes.
And this is book.
Fun with numbers, yes. Keep it.
This is
Fun with phonics, yes. 1. Exploring the alphabets, yes. 2. And the word of number 2, yes.
it is working.
And the word of number 1, yes. And the everyday math, yes. The word around me. Very good.
Friends, I'm saying you subscribe my video and share other, and again I will do Byjus, and again I will say you how to we have to study with Byjus. Okay.
Okay friends, so in another video we will show that how to use Osmo technique for the study. So Swara, any message for your friends?
No, not message. We'll sing.
No. Okay. Say namaste to everyone.
Namaste. Bye.